You can't talk about the ultimate potato dish without talking about Ireland, home of some of the most famous potato dishes in the world. But one dish in particular, Colcannon, combines the comfort of mashed potato, buttery cabbage, and fresh bacon, and together it is magic. And we found someone special. CHRISTABEL ROSSITER is one of the last caretakers of this ancient recipe because she learned it from her mother, who learned it from her mother, who learned it from her mother. And they all say one thing, it starts with the potato. CHRISTABEL, this is such an amazing potato field.
Yeah.
It's a gorgeous view. Hey, and why are the plants brown?
Plants are brown because the actual plants have started to die off.
It's harvest, right?
Harvest time lets us know that the potatoes underneath are ready to be harvested.
Okay.
So this is perfect time of the year.
So what are we digging up today?
Today we're digging up roosters.
Okay.
They have a lovely pinky red
Yeah,
skin.
like that. Yeah, those are great. It is so unbelievable.
Little ones, big ones, you can use them all.
As a chef, this is such a great experience for me. Fantastic.
Yeah.
You're quite the little harvester, Julie. Cool. All right, so how many do we need? We got enough, right?
I think we have enough there now, yeah.
Right. What's next?
Let's go home and cook them up.
All right. Oh, this is a great house you got here.
Thank you.
Wow, it's beautiful. Is it new? Did you guys just build this one?
Just built.
Yeah.
Home sweet home. Right, let's go in and cook some Colcannon. Okay, so we're going to put our potatoes onto steam.
Why is it important to steam potatoes versus boiling them?
Because you keep all the nutrients, all the goodness of the potato.
And how long do these take?
About 30 minutes.
Okay. So steaming potatoes is definitely the way to go.
Definitely.
So tell me about the bacon.
We have boiled a piece here for about 2 hours.
So we got the potatoes working, we got the bacon finished.
Finished.
So let's
Next thing is the cabbage.
All right, show me how to cook this.
So we have a pot of boiling water here. We want to tip in the full head of cabbage.
The outer leaves, the inner leaves.
So you have nice bits of dark green and you have the white as well. So that's all in there.
So what's next?
Okay, we're going to chop up our scallions.
I'll take that. And how fine do you want them?
Pretty fine, yeah.
Okay. How's that? Again?
Yeah, they're pretty good. Lovely. Okay, I think, yeah, our cabbage is just about done now. You can see that it's changed colour slightly.
I think in a good way. I like that.
Yeah.
You know, you go to a fancy restaurant, everything's sort of blanched to perfection. It's all neon green. I like things when they're soft and kind of cook like that.
Nice.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. So what we'll do next is we'll add our knob of butter to the water. That goes straight in there.
Right, excellent.
Lid back on for 2 minutes, and then we'll drain it all off.
The other potatoes done?
We'll just check them now to make sure.
Go in for one that's like this? All right, and then you
Start peeling.
just give it a nice peel. You know, it's amazing the way potatoes smell when you steam them and their own skins, because the skins actually taste like something.
It's a mortal sin to cook Colcannon and peel your potatoes before you cook them.
You could go to jail in certain parts of Ireland. All right, let's take a look at the potato. It's steamed and it's perfectly soft. You're gonna split it open like that. It's outrageous. Nice, simple potato.
So we'll mash these up now.
Mash them, take a lot of lumps out, just like you're making a really good mashed potato, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We have our country butter.
Right.
Nice. And
Okay.
add your milk bit by bit. Right, we'll just add in a bit there.
Right,
Yeah.
cool.
See, here we go with that
All right,
much.
stir it in together.
Now, we're ready to chop up our ham into little cubes. It's
Cubes,
nice.
okay.
Yeah,
How's that? Is that okay?
that's perfect.
All right, good.
As well as that, we're going to add our cabbage. So we'll put this into our potatoes now.
Okay. And we're putting all this in, right?
The whole lot goes
And I
in.
see what you're saying as far as like controlling the amount of liquid that's actually going into the Colcannon now.
Yeah.
Because the cabbage is really wet. You can always adjust it with a little more milk later.
Exactly. Stir that in. Next, we add in our scallions.
Okay, scallions over there.
So I think that's about enough scallions there.
And we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we can
right.
always add a few more.
Okay.
Next, the ham.
And how much?
About half of what you have there.
About half.
Start off with. You don't want to put too much meat in there. It'll overpower the flavour of the cabbage and the potatoes. Okay, we're ready to serve now.
Okay, sure.
So, I'm getting hungry.
That's a plate. Okay, right.
Smooth it out a little bit. Stick your spoon in.
Okay.
Make
okay.
a little hole in the
Right.
centre. Now get your butter.
A little bit of fresh country butter. Okay, right here, I guess is
Right into the well. And a small sprinkle of parsley.